Hello there, this is me, Luther 574. Actually what I'm about to do is kind of weird. Cause you really wouldn't usually see someone on YouTube doing this. You would usually see people do, actually it's gonna be a theme. Actually no, it's a song from Ocarina of Zelda. Um, I believe it's probably Zelda's Lullaby or something oddly similar to it. I know some people would probably use an ocarina, a guitar, an electric guitar. You don't know. Someone might decide to play it on a banjo. You know, people know their people find their ways. They just mess around with the banjo and they find what they're doing. You know. But yeah, they would usually do it on a piano, a harp, or something else that can make sound and sound just like it. Okay, so this is me, Luther, and I shall start. That has been me, Luther 574. If you would like to see more videos that I like to do, I would advise you to uh, subscribe. And if you like this video, please explain with graphic. I'm joking. Please explain on a comment. This has been me, Luther 574. Shining out.